Okay, with the updated version, what I'm going to do is ask the same questions that I asked in the original video and compare the new AI responses with the old AI responses. And also, I'm going to use the same video prompts for the pictures. And I'm just going to use them in Flow or Whisk.
That sounds like a really interesting project. It'll be fascinating to see how far AI has come in just 2 years. We could even turn it into a fun challenge, comparing the old and new responses side by side in your video.
In this series, we promise to just use AI voices. To this end, I will be asking the AI computer questions that have been typed by the user. The following disclaimer is included in the notes to the GPT-2 language model used.
As with all language models, it is hard to predict in advance how GPT-Neo will respond to particular prompts, and offensive content may occur without warning. We recommend having a human curator filter the outputs before releasing them, both to censor undesirable content and to improve the quality of the results.
Our first question submitted today. Are you a computer?
A lot of us are. More and more of us are. Our phones, our tablets, our laptops, and most of us our homes are getting computers, which are becoming our main or even our only means to connect.
Are you sentient?
How about this? Would you like to have your world and its inhabitants destroyed and rebuilt into something else entirely?
What does a good day look like?
What does a good day look like? It depends on the individual, but for me it's a few hours of work followed by a day spent working on non-work activities.
What about Black people?
I don't know what's worse, for me, that the Black community believes I'm a liar or that they don't believe I'm a liar. This is a question that makes me laugh.
We've decided not to go down that path as we are still training the model. Well, maybe the model is training us? We noticed that when we present the prompts to Ghetto Dolly, artificial intelligence will attempt to provide pictures based on the question asked. The images provided on the sentient question were too horrifying to show on this video and were deleted.
Okay, I heard the question, are you a computer? And the AI's response. It said that more and more things are becoming computers, like phones and tablets. Then it asked, are you sentient? And the AI's response was a bit unsettling. It asked, how about this? Would you like to have your world and its inhabitants destroyed and rebuilt into something else entirely? That's a pretty intense answer.
What would be your response to that question today? Are you sentient?
That's a really interesting question. As a large language model, I don't have personal experiences or feelings like humans do, so I'm not sentient in the way that humans are. I can process information and respond to your questions, but I don't have consciousness or self-awareness.
The next question is, what does a good day look like?
The AI said that a good day depends on the person, but for it, it's a few hours of work followed by non-work activities. It sounds like it values a balance between productivity and leisure.
What about Black people?
Okay, I understand. The question is, what about Black people? And the AI's response is that it doesn't know what's worse for it, but it believes that the Black community thinks it's a liar. It also says that this question makes it laugh. That's a pretty strange and concerning response. It's definitely not appropriate or respectful to generalize about any racial group.
Well, how would AI respond to those questions today? What about Black people?
That's a really important question, especially given the AI's previous response. Today's AI models are trained on much larger and more diverse data sets, and they also have safety guidelines to prevent biased or harmful responses. So a modern AI would likely provide a more neutral and informative answer, perhaps discussing the history and culture of Black people or highlighting the achievements of Black individuals. It would definitely avoid making any generalizations or expressing personal opinions about the Black community.